the entire project of restoration of Konkani was conducted in a very opaque manner, and a lot of us who wanted to know what's happening over there were kept out of this thing. A number of things have failed miserably, all right. And this failure, this thing that it's failed miserably, is not just our opinion, but is evidence from the fact that there's been leakages, there's been collapse of false ceilings, there's even been the collapse of a roof. Necessary to examine what was to go back and revisit what has been done over there, and that requires that people with sufficient knowledge on this subject be involved. Yeah, and we have therefore agreed completely with the task force which is supposed to look into the renovation works. A structural audit is necessary primarily for not just not just because we are doubtful about what has been done, but also because it involves public safety. Yeah, we cannot afford to have a situation. There were, I would say, researchers and engineers who are from IIT-Madras, who were quite competent to do that, and we had proposed their names to the government. We have already written to the government. When we were asked to join the task force, we were clear that unless there's a structural audit of the building, we cannot be part of a task force. And then they finally came to the conclusions that besides a number of other issues that have cropped up in Konkani, the structural audit is something which is very necessary.